In this lecture, I am going to introduce you to Design Modeler. So, inside ANSYS Workbench, we have two types of geometric systems. One is the Design Modular Geometric System, and the second one is the Space Claim Geometric System. If you want to create simple components and you want to add it whatever the data that it has been imported from other CAD systems, you can efficiently use this geometric modular or design modular. Then, if you want to create advanced auto parts and advanced assemblies, then you may use the spacecraft design modular. In this particular course, I am going to introduce you to design modular basics. Right click on the cell and here I have options to select the two types of geometric models. I am going to select new design model geometry. So once I selected the new design model geometry, this particular design modular module will open. You can zoom in and zoom out by mouse scroll button. You can also rotate by pressing and dragging mouse scroll button. And once the geometry module has opened, we have, as in any other CAD system software, we have three planes: XY plane, YZ plane and ZX plane. Right click at ZX plane and select look at. Now you can see that our ZX plane is selected. Now select YZ plane and here is our YZ plane. And this is the XY plane. So we have selected XY plane to create a sketch on it. Now I am going to switch to the sketching tab. So in this sketching tab, you will have access to all the 2D sketching tools that are present inside Design Modular. Like see, in this draw group, you will have access to line, tangential line, polygon, rectangle and other tools. Now select line and draw some random sketch. Now close the sketch. Now draw a polygon. Remember one thing, whatever sketch we are going to draw, you can access all their details in details view here. Here you will find all lines of polygon. Now select modify group and select a fillet. Select this point. You can change the radius here. Give 10 mm. Select generate to apply changes you just made. And select the points on which you want to apply fillet. Same way you can apply chamfer. Now select a rectangle and draw it. Now go to dimensions. Here you can see that general options is selected by default. Now select y-axis and this line to give dimension. This dimension will be L1, which you can edit in details view. Now select x-axis and this line as L2. Now we can change the dimension of L1 and L2 in detail view. Give L1 as 50 meter and L2 as 50 meter. Now give dimension to this line and edit its dimension. Like that we can define sketches. Select this axis to make plane normal to that particular axis. Once we created a sketch, now switch to modeling and select extrude tool. First, we need to select the geometry. We can select geometry from tree outline or by selecting the lines individually. Once you select a geometry, click apply. We can edit the depth of the extrude from details view. Give 100 unit and click generate to apply. So here is our first 3D model in ANSYS Design Modular module. Now we want to create a hole on this face. Like other softwares, you can't simply select this face and create a sketch, then make a cut. In ANSYS Design Modular, we need to first create a new plane on the face on which you want to create a geometry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new plane. So I have selected to create a new plane. It is asking us about base plane. So in order to create a new plane, we should give some references. So here what I'm going to do is I want to say create a plane on any particular face. So I'm going to select from face instead of from plane. Once I have selected this from face, now I need to select here. And then I need to select this particular face and say apply. So now you see that new plane is created. Generate to apply. Now select this plane and select look at to make it normal. Go to sketching, select circle. So here is our circle which we have created. Now select extrude, select geometry and apply. Here from operation we can select multiple operation types, but for this case we will select cut material. Give depth of cut to 50 unit. Select generate to apply. And here is our hole. And edit the depth of cut to 100 unit. Generate and here is our hole. So this was a basic intro of sketching and modeling in ANSYS Design Modeler.